Hi, you're getting ready to do your chapter or lesson 7 sentences. So I hope that you've been studying your grammar structures as you've gone along and that you're paying attention to how each sentence is glossed. You should be comparing each sentence to the grammar notes. Pretty soon you're going to start having some lessons where you're going to have to take the English sentence and put it into ASL gloss and then sign it. So we want you to remember a couple things. For deaf people, the written word is their second language. So whether a deaf person is French, German, Russian, they're using French Sign Language, German Sign Language, Russian Sign Language, they're reading and writing that native language, French, German, or Russian. Sign language is not a written language. So you can't go to Barnes & Noble and buy a book in sign language. We call it glossing, and the reason we write it is to teach you the grammar structure. Okay, so that's why we focus on putting the glossing marks above to identify grammar structures, to make sure you know what kind of movements to do with your face, your eyebrows, your mouth for adverbs and punctuation marks. So you need to be studying that as you go. If you're still just trying to learn the signs out of the book, match them with the sentence to get the assignment done quickly and to not put much time into it, you might be getting away with that now, but as you move into 102 and 201 and 202, that's not going to cut it. You need to have a basic foundation and understanding of the grammar. So please be studying that, sending questions as you have it. In this set of sentences, we're focusing on negatives and negative incorporations. So we're going to need to see that negative head shake on signs like can't, not, none, no. And then we're also looking at negative incorporation, which is the twist. So you would have don't want, don't like, don't know. On signs like that, in written words, you're going to see those two words linked together with a hyphen. Remember that if two words, English words, are linked together with a hyphen, that means there's only one sign that makes up those two concepts. So if on paper you saw not, like, you would sign not like. But if on paper you see not hyphen like, you sign not like. You need to know the difference. Okay. You're going to see the negatives. You're going to see some WH questions, so make sure the eyebrows are down and the head is tilted in on those. There's repetitive pronouns for closing signals. Don't forget to add those. When we have topic markers, it's because either we're signing the topic of the sentence first instead of the subject, or we're signing the subject first, but we've marked it with a topic marker because we want to emphasize it. So our head leans in and we still raise our eyebrows. It's like saying, hey, I'm talking about this, and then commenting on it. Yes, no questions. Make sure the eyebrows are up and the head leans in for those. And then pay attention to like if one of the assignments like number 2, it has separate sentences. So at those periods, you hesitate briefly, just like you would hesitate in speech patterns when you got to punctuation marks. So pay attention to that. Make sure you're going through them several times, practicing them, signing them in a mirror before you take them for me, so that you're sure they're good. And again, you're approaching the point where you're going to start glossing yourself. So please, if you have any questions about grammar structures as you're going through those notes that I provided in lesson 1, please send emails and ask so that I can help you with that. Thank you.